How to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail using Google's official recovery option. Let's get started. Before we begin, keep in mind that if an email has been permanently deleted from the trash, Gmail usually can't restore it. However, Google does provide a recovery tool that may help in certain situations, such as if your account was compromised or messages were deleted unexpectedly. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then scroll down and select Help and Feedback. Once the Help page opens, tap the search bar and type Missing. From the results, select Gmail messages are missing. Scroll to the bottom of the article and tap Recover your emails. Make sure the correct Gmail account is selected, then tap Continue. Google will check whether your account is eligible for email recovery and attempt to restore recently deleted messages if possible. Follow any additional instructions shown on the screen to complete the process. And that's it. That's the official way to try recovering permanently deleted Gmail emails. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Android tutorials, and easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.